Have you ever wanted to automate your YouTube uploads or integrate your app with YouTube? The YouTube Data API makes this possible, and today I'm going to show you how to use it to upload videos programmatically and explain the quota limit you need to keep in mind. The YouTube Data API is a powerful tool that allows developers to interact with YouTube programmatically. You can upload videos, manage playlists, and more. Best of all, using the API is completely free will, mostly. There are quota limits to consider. To get started, you'll need to set up a project on the Google Cloud Console, enable the YouTube Data API, and create OAuth credentials. This gives your app permission to interact with your YouTube account. Once you have your credentials, it's time to code. Here's an example of a simple Python script that uploads a video. You'll need the OAuth and Google-API-Python-client libraries to authenticate and interact with the API. The script lets you specify details like the video title, description, tags, and privacy settings. Once the script runs, your video gets uploaded directly to your YouTube account. Pretty cool, right? Now, here's where the quota system comes into play. Every API request consumes units from your daily quota. By default, Google gives you 10,000 units per day for free. But uploading a single video costs 1,600 units. That means with the default limit, you can upload up to 6 videos a day. Other API actions like reading video details or searching for videos cost significantly less, just 1 to 100 units per request. But uploading videos is one of the heavier operations, so you'll want to plan accordingly. If you ever need more than 10,000 units, you can request an increase directly from Google. Just head to the quotas section in the Google Cloud Console, submit your request, and wait for approval. Here, you can also monitor your current usage and make sure you're staying within your limits. So, whether you're a developer building tools for content creators or just looking to automate your own uploads, the YouTube Data API is an incredible resource. With some careful planning around quotas, you can get a lot done without spending a dime. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're building with the YouTube Data API. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.